How my name is Nubia. Now let's go to say tale through my life. Call it through my life. Once upon a time, there was a big family in a country town, which was made up of a woman, a man, and three children. One of these were me. I'm the last. I remember that my two older sisters were very kind and good with me because I was their last sister and the more spoiled. My parents, after a long discussion, decided to call me Nubia Marixa Guarar. I was born in Mocoa City in 1977. Mocoa is the capital of the department of Putumayo. It is an awesome place for its landscapes and a beautiful river. When I was a girl, I played with a lot of children in my neighborhood. They were simple and humble people like mine. While I was growing up, I didn't think about becoming a physical education teacher because when I was a girl, I wanted to be a physical therapist. I told my dad about the idea, and he said, the study is useless. You should become a merchant. The businesses are really good. That's how you will make money. He didn't think I would make a lot of money as a physical therapist and much less as a teacher. My family was very close and lived next to the river called Guamués. Most the population, most the population went to the river to swimming, to wash the clothes, to fishing, among others. I remember that my brother, sister, and me spent a lot of time there. I liked to look at the different fish, the boats, and swimming for hours. That's why we came home very late. When I was 15 years old, I liked how the physical education teacher told me. Then, when I finished high school, I applied to join Tolima University, and I was accepted. After 6 years, I got a degree in physical education. Then I presented the test for coming in the teaching career, and I passed. And from that moment, I teach to the student all the sport that like me. To sum up, I really happy with my profession, but taking into account that the sun is harmful to my skin, I have decided to study for another career. And currently, I'm studying bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. I am happy studying the new current in the UNAT University. I I want to I will be on the best the best teacher in the English in the future. Bye bye.